How will the installation and testing of the Go&Go automatic car wash process be? Behind a professional automatic car wash is the very methodical process of installation, testing, and technology transfer. In today's video, Go&Go will take you along with the technical team from the beginning of installation until the first car is washed clean, and you will know whether this model is suitable for you or not. Everything starts when Go&Go's satellite truck delivers the automatic car wash system to the location. The main parts such as the machine frame, software system, pressure nozzle, and control panel are carefully wrapped to ensure their integrity. As soon as they arrive, the technicians start assembling. Its steel frame is erected. The water pipe system and electrical wire are precisely connected. This is the step that requires smooth coordination between many people, so that the machine is firmly fixed, shaped, and aesthetically pleasing. When everything was ready, we conducted a test operation with the first car. The car slowly entered the washing area. The sensor system recognized the position and size of the car. The high pressure nozzle works simultaneously, washing away along same flood. Next, fine white foam covered the entire car. The softening and separating surface stand. The software moves smoothly, hugging the entire car body, cleaning its surface while still being gentle to protect the band. After a few minutes, the car came out of the system clean and shiny. After completing the test, the Go&Go team began the technology transfer step. We gave detailed instructions to the shop owner and staff on how to operate the machine, choose the appropriate washing mode, and how to clean and maintain the system periodically. Our operations were explained and practiced directly, so that when handed over, customers could operate it with complete confidence on the first day. And this is when the outstanding advantages of this machine line are most clearly demonstrated. First of all, the washing speed is extremely fast, only a few minutes for a car, helping you serve more customers in the same amount of time. Second, the cleanliness and closeness are uniform across the entire car, creating a strong impression on customers, making them willing to come back and introduce more friends. Third, the system operates stably, consumes water and electricity optimally, helping you reduce operating costs compared to manual washing. And finally, the smart design makes it easy to operate. Only one supervisor is needed for the machine to wash continuously all day. So who should invest in Go&Go automatic car wash system? Maybe garage owner want to upgrade their service, increase professionalism, and shorten customer service time. Maybe parking lot in urban area, shopping center where customers need fast, convenient service. A manual car wash owner want to reduce labor, increase capacity, and attract new customers. And of course, this is also a great opportunity for those who want looking for a sustainable business model, quick capital recovery, and easy operation. What are the benefits of the Go&Go system? It only takes a few minutes to clean and polish the car. High capacity, meeting a large number of cars every day. Labor saving, simple operation. Customers are satisfied because the car is cleaned quickly. No need to wait long. The automatic system also helps your shop create a modern, professional image and differentiates from competitors who only wash manually. Investing in Go&Go is not just buying a machine, but opening up a whole new business opportunity. We accompany you from installation, trial operation, to technology transfer and support during your business process. If you are ready to upgrade your service, expand your scale, or start a potential business project, contact Go&Go immediately or advice and join us in creating a modern, efficient, and attractive automatic car wash for customers.